Faith overcomes the world. Faith is of such a nature that the root of cravings severed. Faith is of such a nature that the root of pride is severed. So you got to ask, what's faith that it does that? Because a lot of you have a really, really mechanical notion of faith. Like believe a fact here or there. I'll tell you, in the Bible, faith is powerful, alive, massively significant and influential in life. It is not a little sentence that you sign off on or affirm from a doctrinal statement alone. It is so powerful. It is the victory that overcomes these incredible forces surrounding us in this 21st century world.